5 best sales book that you can use and become a champion salesperson. You see, when I started my business, I knew that I cannot grow my business if I don't understand marketing and selling, and specifically selling. I bought a lot of courses, a lot of programs like Grant Cardone University. I bought high ticket closing. All that is great. But I said, man, I need some other sales books as well. So in this video, I'm going to share with you my personal 5 favorite books in sales that I read few times, made a lot of difference. The first book I recommend is How I Raised Myself from Failure to Success in Selling. This is by Frank Bediger. And this guy wrote an amazing book. It's such a simple concept. And one of the concepts is selling is nothing but finding what they want and giving them what they want. That is it. And I was like, wow, that makes sense. That makes sense. So Frank Bediger has written a great book. Go ahead and read that book, number 1. Number 2, Sell or Be Sold by one and only my first mentor, Grant Cardone. You see, that is a great principle that, you know what, sale is going to happen. Either you sell to the client or client will sell you on why they should not buy you or your product. It really changed my paradigm that selling is my duty, my obligation, my responsibility. So check out this book, Sell or Be Sold. Number 3, this is an unconventional book. It's not like a tactical book of selling. But if you're an entrepreneur, if you want to build your business around something which is going to last forever, just like Star Wars, right? Something which is going to be there for a long, long time. I urge you to check out this book called Perennial Seller by Ryan Holiday. This book, I've read it a few times, and every time I read this book, it just blows my mind. And the concept of perennial seller is, if you're producing something, your product or your service, produce in such a way that it will be like a perennial. What is perennial? Forever, evergreen, like Star Wars. That book will change your paradigm. That's a wonderful book. Number 4, The Joshua Principle. This is a book written by Tony J. Hughes, and he has done phenomenal work. He's written 2 books, and he's been in sales for more than 20-30 years. I love this book. The reason being is such a storytelling book on how there's a twist in the book, how a young man gets coached by a very successful entrepreneur on how to close big deals. The principles and concepts of the book are so powerful. And if you want, you can also check out the interview I did with Tony Hughes a very long time back when I was just starting my journey as a Passionpreneur mentor. For such a phenomenal person, check out the interview as well. You will learn a lot about sales. There'll be links somewhere on the above the video. Number 5, last but not the least. Of late, I've read a new book which is really, really profound in terms of sales. It's like Sell Like Crazy by Sabri Subi. Sabri Subi has written a great book which has been recommended by some amazing people. Even Dan Locke has recommended, my second mentor. So I had to check out that book. This book is going to give you a new twist on how you can monetize by sales in a different way, different forms. So these are my 5 favorite books. If you're really, really serious, if you want to learn more, check out the link, put it in the chat box. If you want to learn sales, if you want to grow your business, if you want to have marketing and sales funnels built, I have a program called Passionpreneur Mastermind, and there are some other sales programs I do which will help you to take your sales to the next level. This is Dave Gadhvi. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and tell me what are your favorite books in terms of sales. I will see you in the next video. Take care and God bless you.